Discover refined country living here on an stately 5 acres. Beautiful redone and updated home, brand new roof, kitchen updates, bathroom remodels, extra bedrooms. This house has a little something for everybody looking to get out of the city. Looking for a little bit of space to stretch out and relax, but don't take my word for it. Let's go take a look. Beautiful 5-acre estate. We're located minutes to Blaine, Ferndale, Linden, 25 minutes to Bellingham. We're perched here right above Dakota Creek, surrounded by this natural beauty. If you are interested for more information, please reach out with a call, text, or an email. Look forward to talking with you soon.